Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix the ghost touch problem in your OPPO Reno 14. So actually this problem is quite common on the OPPO phones, and at first I do recommend to remove the screen protector or case from your phone. So if you see that your case is going straight to the screen and it is touching the screen over here, it means that you have to take off this case. If something touches your screen, it can cause interference and your screen won't work, or you will have the ghost touch problems. Apart from that, if you see that your screen protector is misaligned or is not placed correctly or is so tough that you may have the ghost touch problems, take this screen protector off. I know that the screen protectors are very useful in these times, but yes, it may cause the problems. As you can see, here I do have the screen protector and you can't even see it because it's that well placed. And this is the first tip. The second tip is to clean the screen of our phone to remove the debris and moisture. So prepare yourself a cloth, microfiber cloth. I do recommend the microfiber cloth, but it can be any cloth, but don't use the water. And now take your phone in your hands and just wipe the screen a moment. This should be it. And this mainly fixes the issue. I had the same issue in my OPPO and it fixed my issue actually, but I have a lot of different options, so I'll show you the rest in a moment. So now if it works, that's fine, you owe me a like. But if it doesn't work, wait a moment, we have to now unlock our phone, and if it's possible we have to go into the settings. Here scroll down to the display and brightness, and here actually we had sensitivity for our screen, but I don't see it here. I think that they have removed it. So I remember that it was in the ColorOS 14, but as I can see it's not here, so unfortunately we have to go back. And apart from that, we have to go and scroll all the way down to the system and update. Now tap software update, and now as I can see I do have no network connection. But if you do have the network connection and your system finds an update, update your phone immediately. And it's because OPPO is releasing the updates very often, very common, and they can fix your phone. And yes, and so that's why you have to update the software, because you can fix touch bugs. They can release just some quick bug fix. And yes, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.